Hey everybody, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great celebration last night and are, well, feeling pretty good. Hopefully not nursing a bad hangover, but having a great time. Anyway, I'm excited about starting off the new year. As we talked about in the last episode, a lot of new things coming. In fact, if you go to my website now, you'll see that I've just started a new merch page. And there's a couple new shirts and some mugs and wine goblets or whatever they're called. Those insulated ones, the nice ones basically. In the next few days I'm going to be adding several more shirts and other types of garments and a few other things. So go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link below here to that merch page as well as a QR code right up here. In addition to that, you'll notice the website has changed. I've made a couple updates on that as well. So I'm excited about that. Again, there's a lot of new things coming for 2023. And the biggest thing is, if you got something on your bucket list and you'd like me to come join you on it, go ahead and hit this QR code if you're watching on your TV, or click on the link below to go to the forum to tell me, what is your bucket list? Where do you want to go, or what do you want to do? Is there somebody you want to see? Tell me all about it. And I just may reach out to you and join you on that bucket list. And if there's a bunch of you that have a lot of the same things on your bucket list, maybe we'll put a group together and all do it at the same time. That could be a lot of fun as well. And for all of you who are in the Florida area, I'm here until probably the end of March. So if you've got some things you'd like to do on your bucket list that are here in the Florida area, hit me up. Go ahead and fill out that form and let's try to get a few of those done. Just as a reminder, I am going to be at the Tampa RV show in January. So go ahead and look on my Bucket List Day website and just go to the events and be able to see where I'm going to be when during the show if you'd like to come say hello. So that's going to be a fluid type of schedule. It's going to change a little bit, so hopefully it'll be pretty accurate, but I've been noticing that vendors are changing times and stuff like that. So bear with me if the time I post changes the day of. So, but hopefully I'll be able to see all of you at the show. So I thought it'd be a lot of fun to give a high-level recap of 2022 and everywhere we went. I went through thousands of hours of footage to try to put this together for you guys. Obviously I couldn't get everything and all the places and all the things that we did, you know, such as repairs and remodels and things like that. But I got a few I think you're going to like. So grab some popcorn, sit back, relax, and enjoy this montage of 2022 and everywhere we went. So I'm so looking forward to meeting as many of you as I can in 2023, especially if you've got something on your bucket list that we can do together. And don't forget, do something kind for a stranger today and make it a great bucket list day. Watch this.
Said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch, me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all you didn't catch me looking over my shoulder just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you, only God knew about all those little moments. All those little moments. Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of the town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one? Were you the one? Always on my mind. Were you the one? Always there. Were you the one that got away? I said I loved you, but you let go. I waited for hours, but you never showed. You were all my heart knew, but that's all I held on to, but you let go. We met over as easy as that when two souls meet. We said I do for worse or better, promised to hold on forever, but you let go. Time flew by like a thunderstorm. People change and that's nobody's fault. It's a numbing silence when no one talks, and all you hear is two hearts breaking, pain from the mistakes we're making when you let go. I see your face down on 17th Street. You walk with her and not with me. You are all my art knew. That is what I held on to, but you let go. You are all my art knew. That is what I held on to, but you let go.
And with that, the 2022 season has come to an end.